Hi Kathleen, this is Tori with Salutio, and today I'm going to show you how to add a link to a Rotator image. So the first thing we need to do is create the Rotator article itself. Okay, so we're just going to go to the control panel, go to Article Manager, and you can create a new article. And for this example, I'm just going to use one that's been created but unpublished. So I'm going to go ahead and use this one as my test subject. So I'm just going to call it test. And then let's say sign up here. Okay, and you can change the text to whatever you want it to be. And let's go ahead and publish this. And I'll go ahead and unpublish the article after this video. Okay, so once we have the article created, we're going to go back to the control panel and then go to Module Manager. Once here, we're going to search for Rotator. And then we want to find the one that just says Rotator and then a note home slideshow. So this is going to be your parish Rotator. So we're going to open that up. And the first thing we have to do is we have to change a couple of our default settings we have already set up. So we're going to scroll down to the bottom, and then on the right hand side you'll see the features article default settings. We want to go ahead and change the default link from none to default article link. And this is going to allow the link to actually be displayed on the image itself. So after we have that done, we're going to find the article we just created. So in this instance, we created the test article, and I'm going to go to that link section, click the default arrow down, and then I'm going to add a custom link. So if I wanted to send this to like a registration page, I would just paste that URL here. Okay, so after I add that link, I'm going to go ahead and save. And then let's check our work real quick. Again, I'm looking for the one I just added. And you'll notice that all of these now say read more, and we're going to have to remove that so we don't have the link. So this is the one I want. It says sign up here. So we're going to click that, and then that would take them to the registration page or whatever you wanted them to. If by chance you don't want it to have a link, we have to turn all of the links off now. So back on that module page, for all the ones we don't want to have a link, we need to turn it from default to none. So all of these we don't want to have a link have to be turned to none, else it's just going to have a link that directs it to the article itself, which we don't necessarily want. So you'll notice that that read more is now gone on all of them except for the one where we want to have that link. I hope this helps. If you have any further questions, please don't hesitate to reach out to us. Thanks. God bless.